Hi to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about percentages. From this percentage chapter, 2 to 3 questions will come in the exam of Wipro NLTH. So this one is very important chapter for any placement exam. I am going to discuss all the problems in this percentage problems only with shortcuts. So you can watch my video. You can easily learn the problems on percentages without any formula I will discuss. So you can easily remember all these things. So percentage means here 20% means here 20 by 100. 30 means 30 by 100. 20% means 20 by 100. 30 means 30 by 100 and so on. That one is called as percentage. Here, this 20% means percentage, 20 by 100 means percentage fraction. Next here we see that in next slides, actually I display some formulas, but I won't use all these formulas. I go with shortcuts only. Now here we come to problem. The number increased by 40% becomes 56. Find the number. A number increased by 40% means 140%. 140% of that x value equal to 56. Increase means add to 100. Decrease means subtract from 100. In the case of percentages only, 140% means 140 by 100 into x equal to 56. 14 10 ja, 14 4 ja, 56. 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 0. X equal to 20. Now here once again we see here. Find the number. Here 140% of x equal to 56. 140 by 100 into x equal to 56. Here 14 10 ja. Here 5 2 ja. 5 2 ja. 5 2 ja 0. 2 1 ja. Now here once again here we see that. Here 140% of x. 140% of x equal to 56. So 140 by 100 into x equal to 56. So here 2 7 ja, here 14 4 ja, 14 1 ja 0, 14 4 ja 56, 2 2 ja 2 5 ja, 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 0. Now x equal to 20 into 2 40. So 40 is the right answer. Here x means the given number. This is one way of solving this problem. Another way is 140% value is 56. Generally percentage means 100. That means in these percentages 100 means the original number. 100 means original number. Here 40% extra means 140%. 140% value is 56. Now here find original number. Original number means how much percentage? 100%. 100% value is how much? 14 1 ja 0, 14 4 ja. Straight means division. Cross means multiplication. 2 2 ja 2 5 ja. 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 0. Now cross means multiplication. 20 into 2 40. So 40 is the answer for this problem. This is another way to solve this problem. Next 25% of what price is 230. 25% means 25 by 100. Half means into what price means here we don't know that price value, we'll take x value equal to 230. 5 5 ja 5 4 ja 20, 5 6 ja 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 0. X equal to 46 into 20. 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 9. Here 1 0 is there, that 0. 920. So 920 is the answer. Option number B is the right answer. A's salary is 50% more than B's. How much percent is B's salary less than A? So now here we see that here A's salary is 50% more than B's. How much percent is B's salary less than A's? So these problems, how to solve these problems means by using shortcut method, we can solve these problems within 45 seconds. First to write the given percentage in terms of fraction value. 50% means 50 by 100. That value is 51 ja, 52 ja, 1 by 2. Here is given more value, 50% more than B. Just here you find less value. Whenever we are going to find less value, we write fraction value as T as. In denominator value, we add this denominator we add numerator plus denominator value. 1 plus 2, 3 into percentage means 100. 100 by 3 means 33. 1 by 3%. So once again listen here. So whenever we are going to solve this type of problems, more than value is given and we want to find less than value, or less than value is given, we want to find more than value in percentages. First, we convert the given percentage into fraction value. Suppose we are going to find less than value, we write numerator value as in denominator, we write numerator plus denominator into percentage means 100. So 100 by 3 means 33, 1 by 3%. That is option number 2 is the right answer. Next, if the age of a son is 25% less than the age of his father, how much percent is the age of father more than that of his son? 25%. 25% means 25 by 100. That value is 1 by 4. Here less than value is given. Here we want to find more than value. More value means here we find more value. Here given less value and also find more value. Whenever we are going to find more value, we write numerator value as we write. In denominator, we write the subtraction of denominator minus numerator. Denominator value is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 1 by 3 into 100. 100 by 3 value is 33, 1 by 3%. Next. The price of sugar is increased by 25%. How much percent must a household reduce its consumption of sugar so as not to increase its expenditure on sugar? These are similar problem. Increase means more. Here we find not, here we find is consumption. Percent must a householder reduce. Reduce means we find less value. So whenever we are going to find less value, we write numerator value as in denominator, we add numerator plus denominator. So here 25% means first to convert this one into fraction. 25% value is 25 by 100. That value is 1 by 4. So less value means add. More value means subtract in denominator. So write numerator value as denominator add. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 by 5 into 100. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja 0. 20%. 20% means option number 4 is the right answer. Next, this is a similar problem. The price of a tea is decreased by 20%. Decreased means less value is given. How much percent the consumption of tea increased means more value. We want to find more value. So that there is no decrease in the expenditure on it. So decreased value, less value is given. We find more value. Less value means here 20% is given. So first we convert that for 20% in terms of fraction value. 20 by 100. 20 by 100 means 1 by 5. 21 ja 25 ja. Here we are going to find more value. More value means here we subtract. We write numerator as it is. Denominator we write subtraction value. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 1 4 into 100. So 4 1 ja 4 25 ja. 25%. 25% means option number 3 is the right answer. Next. A spends 90% of his salary and B spends 85% of his salary. But savings of both are equal. Find the income of B if sum of their incomes is 5,000. Now, A spends 90% means how much amount he saves? 10%. 10% of A. A saves 10% equal to B spends 85% means remaining how much percentage he saves? 15% of B. Of means into. Here also into. Now both savings are equal. Equal means equal to. Percentage get cancelled. 5 2s are 5 3s are. So A by B equal to 3 by A by B or A is to B, both are same. A is to B equal to 3 is to. Here we find the income of B if sum of their incomes is 5,000. Here their incomes in the ratio of 3 is to 2. A has 3 parts, B has 2 parts. Total parts is 5. 5 parts value is here, total value is 5,000. One part value is 5 1 ja, 5 1 ja, 0 0 0. Here we find income of B. B has how many parts? 2 parts. 2 parts value is, one part value is 1000 means 2 parts value is how much? 2000. So 2000 is the right answer, option number 1. The total number of students in two schools A and B is 990. If the number of students of school A is decreased by 5% and the number of students of school B increased by 14%, the number of students of the two schools will become equal. The ratio of the number of students of schools A and B is, A and B total strength is 990. If the number of students of school A is decreased by 5%, decreased by 5% means remaining how much percentage there? 95% of A. And the number of students of school B increased by 14%. 14% means now B has increased means add to 100. 114% strength is there in B. The number of students of the two schools will become equal. Equal means these two values are equal. Percentage get cancelled. 19 5 ja, 19 6 ja. So A by B equal to 6 by 5. A by B means A is to B. A is to B equal to 6 is to 5. The ratio of the number of students in schools A and B is 6 is to 5. 6 is to 5 means option number 2 is the right answer. If the population of a town is increased by 15% in the first year and is decreased by 15% in the next year, what effect can be seen in the population of the town? So if the population of town increased by 15% in the first year, second year decreased, what effect can be seen in the population of the town? Now here first year increased, increased means add to 100, 115. Second year it is decreased, decreased means 85. So a decrease means subtract. Now we multiply these two values. So 85 5 ja, 5 5 ja 25, 5 ja 44, 42, 425. 85 1 ja 85 plus 42, 127. 85 1 ja 85 plus 12, 97. Here place point. So here percentage means divide by 100. That's why we place before 2 decimals, so before 2 digits, so place the decimal. So this value is 97.75%. Actually, original percentage value is 100. This 90, whenever comparing with 100, this 97.75% is the less value. Less means reduce or decrease. So how much value less than 100? 2.25%. So how much value here decreased? 2.25% population is decreased from first year to second year. Next, the price of a cycle is increased by 30%. As a result, the sales are decreased by 20%. Find the percentage change in the revenue. Revenue equal formula is number of the price of each and every cycle and number of sales. So price of cycle increased by 30% means increase means add to 100, 130. Decrease means subtract from 100. 100 minus 20 means 80. 13 8 ja, 104. Here 10 is there, here 10 is there. Percentage means divided by 100. So here replace decimal before 2 digits. That value is 104. 104 is the more than this 100% value. This is 104 percentage. So more means increase. How much value is more? 4%. Increase is the answer. That is option number 2. If the length of a rectangle is increased by 25% and the width is decreased by 20%, then the area of the rectangle equal formula is length into breadth. Length value is increased, that value is 125%. Width value is decreased, that value is 80%. Decrease means subtract from 100. 8 5 is 40, 8 2 is 16 plus 4 20, 8 1 is 8 plus 2 10. Here 1 0 is there, we write that 0. Before 2 digits we place the decimal. So this value is 100%. So this value is equal to that original value 100%. So equal means there is no change. There is no change means unchanged is the answer. Next problem. The number of seats in a cinema hall is increased by 25%. The price on a ticket is also increased by 10%. What is the effect on the revenue collected? So revenue equal formula is number of sales into ticket, the price on the ticket into number of seats filled. So here the price of ticket increased by number of seats increased by 25% means 125%. The price increased by 10% increase means 110. 11 5 is 55, 11 2 is 22 plus 5 27, 11 1 is 11 plus 2 13. Here 1 0 is there, we write that one. Before 2 digits we place the decimal. That value is 137.5%. This 137.5% value is more than 100 or less than 100? More than 100. How much value is more? 37.5% is more. So option number 3 is the right answer. The price of rice is reduced by 2%. How many kilograms of rice can now be bought for money which was sufficient to buy 49 kilos of rice earlier? So first here we assume that each and every kilo cost value is some 100 rupees. Earlier 1 kilo cost we assume 100 rupees. Here earlier how many kilos they buy for that money? 49 kilos. So total money is 49 into 100. 4,900 in their hand they have that much of money. Now the question is the price of each and every kg decreases 2%. Now present 2% decreases means 2 rupees decreases on 100 rupees. Now present 1 kilo cost is 100 minus 2 rupees decrease means 98 rupees. So how many kilos of rice they get for that same amount 4,900 amount. 4,900 by 1 kilo amount, that value is 98. 49 1 is 0 0, 49 2 is 2 1 is 2 5 is 0 equal to 50 kilos they get for that same amount of money. Same amount of money. So that option number is 3 is the right answer. Next problem. If the radius of a circle is decreased by 50%, its area is reduced by, area of circle formula is pi r square. Here radius reduced by 50%. In this pi r square, pi is the constant value. Only r value will be changed. So here radius decreased by 50% means remaining how much percentage is there? 50%. 50 r square means 50 into 50. That equal to 5 5 is 25 0 0. Before 2 digits we place the decimal. 25% is there now. How much area is there? 25% is there. Original percentage value is already I told that for any value that has originally 100%. So now compare this 25% with 100%. How much percent is less? 75%. So now that area is reduced by 75%. Now it has only 25%. So the reduced value is 75%. Option number 3 is the right answer. A number is first decreased by 10% and then increased by 10%. The number so obtained is 15 less than the original number. The original number is the number first decreased by 10% means remaining how much value is there? 90%. Then that increased by 10% means that will become 110%. Now that number, how much value is there means here 9 into 11, 9900 before two decimals, who place decimal. So now that value is 99%. Original value is 100%. This is original value. Now it has how much percentage? 99. So how much difference is there? 1%. That means 1% reduced this original value. Here the original number reduces how much value here? 50 less than the original number. The present value is 50 less than the original number. Here the present value is 1% less than the 100. So 1% value is equal to 50. Now find the original value. Original value is 100%. 1% 50 means 100% value means 100% is how much value means 50 into 100. That value is 5000. So 5000 is the right answer. Next. Ratio of number of boys to that of girls in a school is 4:1. If 75% of boys and 70% of girls are scholarship holders, then the percentage of students who do not get scholarship is. Here in this problem, the boys to girls ratio is given. That one is 4:1. So in this boys, 75% boys, they get scholarships. That means remaining 25% boys, they won't get scholarships. Your 70% girls, they get scholarship. Remaining 30% girls, they won't get any scholarship. Here you want to find the percentage of students who do not get scholarship. Students means both girls and boys. So here total boys is 4 parts. In these 4 parts, how many students they won't get scholarship means 25%. Plus in this 30% girls, in these girls, 30% girls, they won't get any scholarship. How many parts of girls is there? 1 part. Here total parts is 4 plus 4 parts is boys, 1 part is girl. So 4 plus 1 is 5. Into percentage means 100. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 0 0. 4 1 ja, 4 25 ja, 25 25 get cancelled. 0 0 get cancelled. 0 0 get cancelled. Here we'll see once again. Here in these 4 parts, 25%. 25% means 1 by 4 plus 30% means 30 by 100 into girls is 1 part divided by 5 into 100. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja 0, 4 4 get cancelled, 1 1 plus 0 get cancelled, 3 by 10. 1 plus 3 by 10 into 20. So here 10 is the LCM, 10 plus 3 13, 13 by 10 into 20, 0 0 get cancelled, 13 2 ja 26, 26% is the right answer. So option number 4 is the right answer. Monish got 80% marks in French, Russian and Chinese. He got 80 and 75 marks respectively in French and Russian out of 100 marks each. How many marks did he get in Chinese out of 100? So in French he get 80 marks out of 100. In Russian he get 80 out of 100. In Chinese he get 80 out of 100. 80 plus 80 plus 80, 240 for out of 300 marks. But here he get 80 marks in French, 75 marks in Russian. So for 200 marks, he will get how many marks? 80 plus 75, 155 out of 200. Now here we find how many marks he will get in Chinese. Now subtract. Here this marks for 300, this marks for 200. Now we need for only remaining 100 marks. 300 minus 200 means for 100 marks we will get that marks. So 240 minus 155, that value is 85. So 85 you need to get in Chinese. How many marks? 85 out of 100. So 85 is the right answer, option number 3. The ratio of number of students studying in schools A, B and C is 6:8:7 respectively. If the number of students studying in each of the school is increased by 20%, 15% and 20% respectively, what will be the new ratio of the number of students in schools A, B and C? So now here we see that A is to B is to C. A originally has 6 parts, B 8 parts, C 7 parts. A increases how much value? 20%. That means 120%. B increases 15%. Increase means add to 100, 115%. C increases 20% means 120%. In all these three, cancel percentage. Now here 120, 115, 120. 5 2 ja, 5 4 ja. 5 2 ja, 5 3 ja. 5 2 ja, 5 4 ja. Now 6 8 3 ja, 8 1 ja, 8 3 ja. 6 into 3, 18 is to 1 into 23, 23. 7 into 3, 21. 18 is to 23 is to 21. That is option number 1 is the right answer. If 70% of students in a school are boys and the number of girls is 504, the number of boys is 70% of students in a school are boys and the number of girls is 504. 70% boys means remaining how much percent is there? 30%. 30% belongs to girls. Girls total number of people is 504. The number of boys is, how many parts of boys is there? 70%. 70% value is how much? To find that. Now 3 1 ja 3 0. 3 1 ja 2 0 20. 3 6 ja 18. 3 8 ja. 10% value is 168. 70% means this is 70% means 7 times of 10%. So multiply this value also with 7. 7 8 ja 56. 7 6 ja 42, 47. 7 1 ja 7 plus 4, 11. 1176, option number 2 is the right answer. Now here clearly observe that within 30 minutes I completed 21 questions. It is possible to solve each and every question within 45 seconds. So please watch my videos. Please subscribe my channel. These are useful for your placements exams and competitive exams.